Do you want to learn how to import data into Salesforce quickly and easily? Whether you're new to Salesforce or just need a refresher, this video will walk you through everything you need to know about importing your data seamlessly. Stick around till the end, because I'll also be sharing an exclusive bonus for you that could save you a lot of time and hassle. First, let's talk about why importing data into Salesforce is so crucial. It's not just about moving information from one place to another, it's about ensuring your data is clean, organized, and ready to be used for tracking your sales, marketing, and customer service efforts. Next, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, head over to the Setup area. This is where all your customization and settings live. Once you're there, use the Quick Find box to search for Data Import Wizard. This tool is perfect for importing data without needing to do any complex coding or work with APIs. Now, the second thing you'll want to do is select your object. Salesforce has many objects, like contacts, accounts, leads, and opportunities. Choose the one that fits the data you're about to import. For example, if you're bringing in a list of customers, you'll select the Contact object. The third thing to consider is your data format. You can import data using a CSV file, so make sure your data is properly formatted in a spreadsheet before uploading it. This will save you a lot of time, as Salesforce needs the information to be structured in a way it can understand. It's really important that each column in your CSV file matches up with the Salesforce field you're trying to import. Next thing, once your file is ready, it's time to map the fields. This is where the magic happens. Salesforce will try to automatically match the columns in your CSV file with its fields. However, you may need to manually map some fields if they don't match exactly. Make sure the critical fields, like email, first name, and last name, are mapped correctly to ensure data accuracy. Now, the fifth thing is to review and run your import. This is where you get a chance to double-check everything. Salesforce will give you an overview of what it's about to import, including any errors or warnings. If everything looks good, click the Start Import button and let Salesforce do the rest. Your data will be imported in just a few minutes. Finally, after the import, always check your data in Salesforce to make sure everything is correctly populated. Sometimes errors happen, and it's important to fix them before they affect your reports or workflows. Salesforce also offers a great tool to help you troubleshoot any issues you might run into. Remember, if you're looking for a way to make this process even easier, you can use this software for completely free from the first link below, and we'll throw in some exclusive bonuses to help you get started without the usual frustration. To recap, log into Salesforce, choose your object, ensure your CSV file is ready, map your fields, and then review and import your data. By following these steps, you'll have your Salesforce account set up in no time, ready to help you grow your business. And just before you go, remember, we've got an exclusive and extended free trial for you through the link below, so make sure you check it out.